Hi, I'm Christian, and this is my dashboard. For this project, I didn't use one to analyze data. I wanted to demonstrate full stack versatility. What you are seeing are three different implementations of the exact same fraud detection system. I built a solution in Power BI for enterprise reporting, StreamLit for rapid data, and a custom React application for a fully tailored user experience. While the technologies differ, the underlying data engineering and business logic remain identical. Let's walk through the insights using the React dashboard as our main guide, while comparing how these look across the other platforms. Starting with the executive overview. Across all three dashboards, the global fraud rate is our anchor metric, sitting at 0.15%. If we look at the physical risk map, notice how both the React and Power BI versions highlight the exact same hotspots. By filtering out online transactions, we identify that risk isn't used in big cities, but in specific international and domestic pockets. The insight here is consistent. Regardless of the tool, we are looking at physical terminal vulnerabilities, not e-commerce. Moving to demographics, here you can see the generational risk analysis. Whether rendered in StreamLit's native charts or React's custom components, the data tells the same story. I use dynamic age calculation to group users. We can see that younger digital natives and older demographics have different risk profiles. This proves that our SQL logic correctly handles date of birth calculations before the data even hits the visualization layer. Then, our tree map about operational health. This is one of the most critical findings. In this tree map, we are tracking transaction failures, specifically the bad PIN error code. You can see here that it has a 2% fraud rate, making it the highest security threat. This isn't just a user forgetting their password, it represents active attacks on stolen cards. Having this visible in real time allows the security team to react immediately. Then, our quintiles and credit score. We have here the strategic validations. First, the Pareto analysis confirms that our long tail of micro merchants, the bottom 20%, is actually 12 times riskier than our giant retailers. And below that, the credit score hypothesis. As you can see, across all three platforms, the risk line is flat. This validates that credit score does not predict fraud in our ecosystem, meaning we are dealing with identity theft, not credit default. In conclusion, whether the stakeholder prefers the interactivity of React, the speed of StreamLit, or the familiarity of Power BI, the data remains the single source of truth. This project demonstrates that I can engineer the backend pipeline and deliver the front-end solution in whatever technology the business requires. Thank you.